Okay guys, now we are going to discuss problem solution essay, and I'll give you a template, a formula to write problem solution essay. Whenever they give you problem solution essay, the topic is given like causes and solution. We also call it cause and effect. How cause and effect? They can be causes and affect, or you can say what are the reasons and how does it affect the society or people. So whatever it is, sometimes it can be causes and suggestions. I'm again telling you, please do not confuse yourselves that I only know 4 types of essays. For example, this is the 5th type, I don't know, right? Whatever the type is, you know, first paragraph is introduction, last paragraph is conclusion. Only the body paragraphs usually depend on the topic. So if there is a new topic or there is a different type and you say, I never studied this type, I don't know, is it opinion, discussion or this or that, you just need to address the topic. And when they say what are the advantages, disadvantages, you understand the topic. If they say what are the reasons and how can we solve this problem, then it is reasons and solutions type. So let's take a start. We have a template for problem and solution essay. The formula is write an introduction to the topic. Again, first paragraph introduction, last paragraph conclusion, and you can write 3 body paragraphs. Ideally, you can write 3 body paragraphs. Each body paragraph will contain cause and solution, same reason and same solution in one body paragraph, right? So formula is write an introduction to the topic. Think of 3 causes of the problem, whatever the problem is. Reasons, 3 reasons. Reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3, and when you think about the reason, you will find the solution as well. Then describe 3 solutions to deal with these problems and write a short conclusion which gives your view about the topic. Now what's the plan? You can see 5 paragraphs. Whenever there is problem solution or problem, a cause and suggestion or cause and effect type of essay, you should write 5 paragraphs. Introduction, cause 1 plus reason 1, or cause 1 plus effect of that very cause, or effect 1, cause 2, effect 2, cause 3, effect 3, cause 1, suggestion 1, cause 2, suggestion 2, cause 3, suggestion 3. It's just like that. Okay, so we've got this plan as well, and there are 5 paragraphs in this plan. Now let's see the template. Introductory paragraph, the first paragraph. The first thing is you will write a general sentence about the problem, because they are going to give you the problem. So you will write a general sentence about the problem, or you can call it the background statement of the problem, or you can call it plotting of the problem, that this is the background statement of the problem. After this, now you will write only 3 sentences, and whenever you write a general sentence, it's a good idea to start it like generally, nowadays, these days, in the present era, something like that. Okay, and there is a handout that will give you these type of sentences. I have already shared it with you. Okay, I'll just point it out and I'll tell you. So first sentence is a general sentence. Second sentence, paraphrase the problem in your own words. This is very important, in your own words. I mean, problem is already given in the question. If you copy that question and write it exactly from there, that will be out of word count. Never write anything exactly from the topic, because that is going to be out of word count, right? So second sentence is where you are going to paraphrase the problem. After this, we've got third sentence, simple. It's your thesis sentence. It's your plan. Now, through your thesis sentence, you will tell the examiner the type of essay you are writing. For example, you can say, in this essay, I will highlight some of the core reasons behind this issue, and I will also give some solutions to resolve this issue. Focus the wording you are using. Never use weak words. For example, in this essay, I will tell the reasons. I will tell the reasons. I will give the reasons. For low bench score, you can use simple words. But if you want to get good bench score, you should write, in this essay, I will highlight some of the core reasons. Don't write reasons. Some of the crucial reasons behind this global issue. See that? This wording. So try to make it wordy, but it should be relevant. It should be according to the topic, okay? And then you can talk about solution. So if in the question rubric, we call it question rubric. The question that is given, we call it question rubric. If they have used the word problem and solution, so instead of problem, you can use the word issue. For solution, you can use the word resolve. How to resolve this global phenomena, or how to overcome this universal problem, something like that. Clear? Okay, so this is paragraph number 1. Now in second paragraph, you are going to write a proper language, because you know there are 4 criteria already. First is task achievement, second is task achievement, second is grammatical range, third is vocabulary, lexical resource, and last is coherence and cohesion. So you should, I mean, there are 4 things and you need to please, I mean, just you can imagine these are 4 sisters, or these are 4 masters, and you have to please your master. Whenever you write a paragraph, take a look at the paragraph and say task achievement. It is according to the topic. Then you say grammatical range. Yes, I have used minimum 2 compound sentences and my structures are accurate. Then you can take a look vocabulary. Topic is this. Have I used synonyms related to that topic? So that's what you got to check. And finally, you got to see the ideas are well connected. First thing first, that is the connection of ideas. Secondly, you have given proper guideline to the reader. You are telling the reader when you describe the problem. First of all, the main reason behind this problem is, then write reason number 1. Then you can explain reason number 1. You can expand that. If there is relevant example, you can give example. And after that, conclusion of problem solution essay in body paragraph, conclusion will present the solution. Understand? You see, there is one solution of the essay. One solution is solution of the paragraph, right? So when you are giving that solution, that is, when you are writing the conclusion of the paragraph, you will write solution in order to resolve this issue. The first thing. Now, never write again in order to resolve this issue. Second time, you can write to deal with this problem. Third time, now don't write third time to deal with this problem. To tackle this issue, to overcome these type of cases, or to overcome this phenomena, you should always come up. I mean, you need to present 250 words. So out of 250 words, like, you know, minimum vocabulary that anybody has, it's not even less than 1000 words. So out of those 1000 words, if you write 250 words which are related to the topic and they are different words, so it's going to be very nice, right? So you can write like this, and then finally you can write conclusion in the same way. Paraphrase the problem, okay, whatever the problem is. Give one sentence summary of the reasons, and in the same sentence you need to write the solution, and that sentence should be a compound sentence. And at the end you can give your opinion, and in your opinion you will give overall solution to the problem, or we call it global solution to the problem, right? Okay, thank you.